Are you looking for the best standalone drawing tablet? In this video we will look at some of the best standalone drawing tablet on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Microsoft Surface Go 2. Although its price is modest, the Surface Go 2 appears to be high-end in its sleek design, reflective magnesium alloy casing, and curved edges. The bezel around the screen has been trimmed down from the first Surface Go to add a premium feel. Despite Microsoft's efforts to market this as a family device, it's a product you would feel comfortable bringing to work. Microsoft did not make any changes to its Surface Go 2's body except to increase the screen size. All of the same accessories, including the keyboard, work with it. It still has gently curved corners, is sturdy, and feels well built. This new screen measures 10.5 inches diagonally, and has a 3:2 aspect ratio. Although it is not super bright, it has a 1920x 1280 resolution. While it's not that big, it feels much more spacious than the first iteration. With a Pentium Gold processor, even more, meager storage, 64GB, and just 4GB of RAM, the base model sells for $299. Many people wouldn't do much more than browse the web or run a few office applications besides Outlook with those specs. Number 2. Wacom MobileStudio Pro. Wacom MobileStudio Pro is my first choice if I have to buy a standalone drawing tablet. There are multiple reasons I recommend it to everyone. It comes up with a whole set of creative tools like a fantastic 13.3 inches display and a precise pen that you can use to draw your illustrations. It also has a long-lasting battery which will make sure you don't have to worry about charging your device again and again. You can carry it around as it is portable. It also has an Ultra HD resolution of 3842,160, giving you superb clarity for your drawings and illustrations. The Pro Pen 2, which comes with this standalone drawing tablet, has pressure sensitivity and has 8,192 levels of pen pressure. It comes with tilt technology to support various angular movements on the tablet. The expense might be justified, though, since such a powerful computer is crammed into a semi-portable tablet. The 4K display on this device is pure eye candy. The vivid, rich colors are a sight to see. Number 3. Huion Kamvas Studio 22. It is trendy among graphic artists and illustrators. It is considered the new generation design studio, which adds feathers to your creativity with a fantastic set of specifications. Huion Kamvas Studio is a 21.5 inches standalone drawing tablet with an IPS display and a convenient viewing angle of 178 degrees. The display is of 1920x1080 resolution, ensuring you don't find issues while creating designs. The design is compact and is made for designers, and you can maintain your accuracy with this tablet. It also has an adjustable stand which will help to position the tablet to get maximum efficiency. You can adjust as per your requirements. Also, the touch bars and the programmable press keys are positioned on both sides for user convenience. You will experience a smooth performance as the Intel Core i5-8400 processor powers it. This new Huion Kamvas Studio 22 version is both slimmer and lighter with a weight of 4 kg and the thinnest part of 21 mm, making the device more handy and pleasing to hold. Number 4. Surface Pro X. Microsoft Surface series has many great standalone drawing tablets. The second on the list is the new Microsoft Surface Pro X. This is also a great and popular Windows tablet available in 2020. It is considered another flagship tablet by Microsoft for business persons. This can be an excellent tablet for college work as well. Surface Pro X is also ultra-lightweight and slim in design with almost the same features as Surface Pro 7. You will get a bigger screen size of 13 in the Pro X with an automatic light adjusting feature. It also comes up with a removable Surface signature cover that you can use to transform your tablet into a laptop. It is a 2-in-1 tablet and comes up with 2 portable USB ports for the users. It has many variants with different RAM and amp storage spaces. The most popular is the 8GB, 128GB version, and has a Microsoft Square 1 processor. It can be compared to an i7 processor performance. You should go for this as it also has a battery life of up to 13 hours. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. If you're an Android lover and prefer Android over iOS, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 is the best standalone drawing tablet. Samsung devices are known for their great display, and that's why they give a better viewing experience than the rest of the tablets available in the market. You can stream videos, read ebooks, and do your routine office work on this tablet. The Super AMOLED display will surely boost your movie experience, and this is why we are recommending this device to you. A little high in the budget but is a value for money product. With the Tab S6, you can consume content very well. You can watch it for long periods with it because of its excellent screen and speakers, and it is thin and light. Even 3 Marvel movies can be watched on it thanks to its long battery life. However, Samsung's attempts to market the Tab S6 as a productivity device fall short. The device has several bugs, and it isn't a device that can replace a laptop.